Hi, Kat. Just wanted to show you a little clip of how we spent our day today. We had a great hike up the Second Fork Brook. So I just want you to say hi to Catherine, and just say what did you do today? That'd be nice because I want to make a movie.
What else we ought to say?
I want to make a movie about what happened today, and maybe you could just describe quickly what happened today.
She's
And then what happened today?
Hi, Kat. We had a great day and we really missed you. And it would have been so much more interesting if you were there and awesome. But we had a great day and Luke's going to tell you all about it.
Hi, Kat. We walked to a river and we saw some waterfalls, and we didn't swim in them because our parents are lame and they didn't want us to.
No.
So we walked back instead. What did you do today?
What am I supposed to say?
What
And then we had a good dinner, except we haven't had it yet. We're gonna. So.
But it smells awfully good.
It smells good, yeah.
Yeah.
Stare at the camera, damn it. Okay. If we're done, Pat.
Wish you were here. We missed you.
Yeah.
Anyways, I know you're having fun. But we'll do it with
Say
you
hi to
sometime.
Shane. Bye. Bye.
So while they're getting their dinner, I'll segue into our clips of our wonderful hike up the Northeast Margaree. It was perfect weather, overcast, no bugs, not too hot. Found a den, some animal, we're not sure if it was a coyote or what in there. Of course, Patrick, since he's 4, loves puddles. We're about 3 kilometers up into the wilderness area at this time. We finally got to the mouth of the Second Fork Brook, started heading upstream. Beautiful setting. This here is 300-year-old sugar maple stand, a special biosphere reserve here. Finally, lunch at the beautiful waterfall. Then after lunch we headed back home, wading across the river. Finally back at our property, into our beautiful fields.
Edmonton is that the cost of living is really low, but the salaries they provide are quite high.
So guys, how was supper?
Tasty.
Good.
Spicy. It was good.
You
So
thought it was spicy?
I think there's spices in it, and you could taste them.
Oh, it wasn't too hot.
No.
Okay.
I didn't think it was too hot.
So say goodbye to Catherine. We're going to see her for a little while.
Oh,
Bye, Kat.
bye, Kat.
You're missing out on the beautiful view of the Sugarloaf.
Bye, Cat.
Bye, Shane.
Bye, Kat.